Hey guys, so today I will be telling you on how I maintain my ends and how I take care of them to prevent it from breakage and split ends, since I am growing out my hair and I am trimming less. So I really want to keep my ends in good condition in order for me to retain my length, so I don't have to keep on trimming it or I don't have to keep on cutting it. Okay, so today I will be telling you my step-by-step routine on how I take care of my ends and how I preserve it, and also I'm going to be telling you all the products that I'm using and how I use them. Okay, so after I oil my hair, after I shampoo my hair, I then use my hair mask, and then after that I condition my hair. So the conditioner that I'm using all over my hair, including my ends, is the Cream Silk Dry Rescue. So I let this marinate on my hair for about 1 minute, and then I wash it off. And then on the bottom part and on the ends of my hair, I use the Bonacure Therapy Cell Perfector Repair Rescue, and this is sealed split ends, and this is great for damaged ends. I know my ends are not damaged, but this is great for preventing split ends and all that, and I actually am almost out with it because I have been using this consistently on my ends. This is actually my hair mask for preserving my ends, so this is exactly what I'm using for it. So I leave this on the bottom part of my hair and on my ends for about 7 minutes, and then I wash it off. Okay, so after I rinse my hair, I then towel dry my hair, and after that I use my Bonacure Hair Therapy Miracle Oil Liquid Conditioner, and I just spray that all over my hair. And then after that I also use my Bonacure Hair Therapy Smooth Perfect Smoothening Cream, and I just take some on the palms of my hand and then I distribute that all over my hair. Now I use this product sparingly because I don't want to weigh down my hair and I don't want my hair to look oily after, so I just use a little bit of this, and also I use a little bit of the Bonacure as well, and I focus this especially on the mid and the bottom parts of my hair, and especially my ends as well. And after I air dry my hair, once it's completely dry, I then use my Bonacure Hair Therapy Oil Miracle Divine Polish, and this is probably one of my favorite hair care products in making my hair look shiny and also at the same time making it soft and smooth. And the thing that I like about this, it has a really nice scent, so it's kind of like a perfume for the hair as well. This is why I really like using this, and I really like the formula because it's very lightweight and it's not sticky on the hair, and it does not make your hair oily at all. So this is why I love using this on the mid down to the bottom part of my hair. The last product that I use specifically on my ends is the Rio. I'm not so sure how you pronounce this, but this is a Korean oil serum, and this is their Black Sprout Hair Oil, and this smells amazing. And this oil is very moisturizing on the ends. That's exactly why I like putting this on the ends of my hair, just to keep them hydrated and moisturized all day. Okay, I know it may seem that I use a lot of products, but I use them sparingly, so that's why my hair doesn't look way down, or it doesn't make my hair look like it's greasy or it's oily. It may look like I am putting a lot on my hands, but I have a lot of hair and my hair is long, so I think it's just enough for my hair. So far this routine has been really working well on my hair, especially on my ends. I really like how it just makes my ends look really soft, and it feels so smooth as well, and it smells good, which is such a great bonus, and it gives my hair a really nice texture, and it makes my hair manageable. And also I don't get that much tangle if I do this routine, so it saves my hair from breakage and split ends. So this is the routine that I have been doing on maintaining my ends and taking care of them. Maybe in the future this is going to change, but however, right now this has been working so well for my hair, so I'm going to continue and do this. And also I have been trying out new products as well on my hair care routine, which I'm very much excited to share them with you guys, but I will feature them very soon on my channel. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!